Greg, it's great to see you. You
Likewise.
left Airbnb shortly before the IPO. It was a very different company. Some people actually questioned its financial discipline. During the pandemic, though, it made a lot of cuts to its workforce, its marketing budget, scaled back on hotel ambitions. Are you surprised by the pivot you've seen Brian Chesky make while leading this company?
No, actually not at all. Brian's been very focused and very clear on what the vision was, and this is going on for years about how Airbnb can really be a great extension platform. With that pivot, though, what Brian recognized, and he's highlighted multiple times, is that travel has fundamentally changed, and Airbnb is in a great position to kind of play out on those opportunities as people are living and working remotely and doing so on Airbnb.
So then, Greg, I wonder, why did you leave just ahead of the IPO, especially when the company has been able to sort of even grow from that point, and its valuation has just grown so much also in the public markets?
Yeah, I'm really proud of what Airbnb has done. I left for personal reasons, unrelated to the vision. It was very clear that Airbnb was going to be successful, and I've been very supportive and very, very happy with that.
Hey, Greg, I wonder, what you think the model would look like today had it not been for COVID and this massive acceleration of the ability to work from anywhere. The tools were already in place, but getting that through people's heads almost required, this quickly almost required something like what we went through. What would the company have looked like without it?
It's probably difficult to speculate on that. I think what's important to see is that what you're seeing is this, the pent-up demand for travel right now. We've had this 2-year period where, people were afraid to travel, and the Airbnb team have been doing some great work on preparing for that. And there's just I see it when you look at the Expedia results. I just talked to the CEO of Get Your Guide, and everyone is really seeing the benefits of this pent-up demand for travel. And Airbnb in particular has got that unique category of being able to live on Airbnb.
Greg, I wonder what you think about the impact of inflation and higher mortgage rates on Airbnb's business. When we look at inflation from the perspective of an Uber, Lyft, it seems to be having the impact of raising prices for them, certainly when it comes to gas, tight labor market, having to do with their driver supply. Seems to me to potentially have a very different impact on Airbnb and demand for its inventory. What do you see?
Well, I think when you look across all the marketplaces, the consumer marketplaces, you're seeing a very different impact. Certainly with Amazon and eBay, there was a real bump from the stimulus checks last year that are driving some tough comps now. There's this pent-up demand for travel that's helping Airbnb, Expedia, Booking.com, and others, which is very helpful. What is very clear is that we may have pulled forward some of the consumer purchases from 2022 into 2021, but people have saved up for travel. And there's going to continue to be, and the thing that the marketplace does is, as people are tightening their budget, if they need to, they're finding a broad selection on the marketplaces for, if they need to trade down on their travel selection. When it comes to higher prices and mortgages, I think it's good to remember that, these services like Uber, Lyft, Airbnb were all born out of a very tough and difficult recession. And I do expect you'll see as people are grappling with some of these inflationary pressures, that'll actually be an incentivized supply on Lyft and Uber and Airbnb as well.